Well, this tractor just came in. This is the newest tractor I've ever gotten. It is a, well, I'll tell you what I've seen so far. It's missing the bolts for that seat. It is, what is it? Let's see if we just turn it sideways for a minute. 2017. Like I said, just missing the bolts. That ain't no. Oh, let's see if we can get this back. That ain't no big deal. I'm not the biggest, but look at that. 2017. Did they even use it? One season probably. Maybe once I give it a bath and clean it up. I wish I had an hour meter on it, but it don't. Of course it has the Kohler. He said he stopped using it. Started smoking like crazy. But look at this. This is my first. I thought maybe I think it's too new for that valve cover to be leaking. It may. That doesn't look it. Because you can see the line. Well, what I noticed already, I can see that line. That means that's filled. And why it's filled is, I mean, look at the consistency of this. So, it smells completely like gas. So let me find out that this just has yes, you got good compression. I bet that's it. Wow, that's gonna be a, yeah, you can see it just leaked from that thing. Gas. I'm not even gonna turn it over until I fix that. Ooh. Die-hard battery. Means that's probably good. Huh. It's a hydro too. Ooh, that's gonna be some good money. Once you give that a bath, put the seat on, clean up the deck. Let's see how much they mowed. Let's see the blades. Not a lot of wear, but a little rusty. Looks like it's been sitting probably a couple of years. I'll be 2017 Troybilt. Man, I'll probably push like $1,000 for this thing. Shit. That'd be cool. Alright folks, there's my newest arrival. Troybilt 2017 freebie. Second chance mowers out.